When I first started making videos, I realized that setting up a studio takes a lot of time and effort. When I helped some of my creative friends rebuild their home studios, I realized just how annoying it can be. We wanted the process of setting up a studio to be easier, so we came to Ulanzi. Together with their engineers, after more than a year of hard work, finally we launched GearTree, an integrated solution for your home studio. GearTree Home Studio's core component is a floor-to-ceiling stand. Sophisticatedly designed, it can bear up to a load of 400 kilograms. The rod locker is one of the main parts which can firmly attach to the core stand. The stand, combined with rod lockers, allows for a variety of camera accessories to be expanded upon it. Like being as creative as building with Lego, creators can add all their equipment to GearTree. It's really convenient and easy to install and adjust, and you can carry it to any spot you like. With so many accessories, it gives you the best support for video making. To make it as sturdy as can be, we've applied the 4-axis CNC processing to these high precision accessories, and we've also measured them based on 3 coordinates to ensure maximum precision. Meanwhile, we use POM washers on all metal surfaces for a better experience. We know that not all spaces can use floor-to-ceiling stands, so we've designed a desk studio setup as well. We've designed a desk studio setup as well as a C-stand kit. Both kits can use the same accessories. With the C-stand kit, the studio becomes easy to move around. It's perfect for interviews or documentary filming, while the desk studio setup kit makes the best use of space and brings displays, lighting, mics and cameras into one setup. In the design process, we had lots of other great product ideas too. For example, we also designed an aluminium tabletop and a magnetic patch panel for a more clean and manageable cable management system. We believe GearTree is the best solution for individual creators that you can find in the market. We hope that it will help creators by sparing them from tedious preparations and focusing on the content of creating itself.